This is a brand new ignition coil which comes with power high performance power coil, ignition coil they call it, and this is aftermarket or it is available in Pune. See, this is a high performance ignition coil which can be used for Yamaha RX100, 135, Z, and all two stokes and Pulsar as well. It will be fitted shortly in my bike. Will show you how it can be fitted. Hmm? Hmm? This 12 mm. We have to disconnect the pipe, petrol tank pipe. Hi, mechanical engineer. Actually, here is where we have to fit the ignition coil. This is what how it will get mounted here. But however, we have two options here at 135 where we have it here. Okay, so I will be removing the old one and fitting the new one, which is high powered ignition coil. This is the one which is connected with. There are two connections. One is this is the actual ignition coil which is connected to the spark plug, and there is only one more unit which is connected with the battery. Okay, and this is the old one which will be replaced with original. This is a one which is having a issue, will be replaced. I have go behind. I have removed it from the old one over here because this is having a full length, whereas this one has minimum length, and this is almost same, but I'm going to replace this one with this one where there is a extra rubber. It is going to support more. Okay, this is how it works. Just wanted to add some information about 135 and 100 difference. This is something called torque injection, which will be never part of RX100. Here comes the torque injection. It gets injected into the carburetor reed valve, okay, directly, which adds power to 135 rather than 100. And however, what is the difference is this part, and inside there is a shaft, crankshaft, where the size is different, and lot of modification can be done with RX 135, not with RX 100. And RX 135 can be fully modified according to 130, 140, 150, even it can challenge 250 cc vehicles. But RX 100 can never do that because they have a very small shaft which can never be modified, and it can never add power to it. Please understand, RX 100 is a brand, 135 is fully modified, can be modified and add power to speed. And this is 4-speed vehicle where you will find 5-speed, which will have a sharp L shape part here, which will make the big difference, which will add it as a 5-speed vehicle.